And today we're going to be exploring an abandoned warehouse, so let's see what it has in store for us.
A massive drop, like if you drop, you're pretty much screwed. Let's keep going, keep going. Almost there to the factory, just a couple of, I think, meters. We are here now, it's right here. We need to play silence so that, alright, you go first. Oh, there is the opening light. Sam, just check if there's anyone there. Wait, go in there. Go down. There's the... Is it safe? Right, let's go. Oh, we're here now. Oh my days, this place is massive. You got your thing. Right. The thing is, if we see any people, we just run in, man. Wow. This place is huge. Oh my days. Flipping out, right. Oh, there's a stupid bird. Oh my days, look at how many birds they are. What the flip, man? It's like a bird's lair. Or pigeon's lair. Alright, should we go? Should we go up? Oh my days. What's that? Oh my days, this place. Alright, you go first. We're gonna go upstairs. See what's got for us. Oh my days, these stairs look so old. Oh my days. I don't even know where I'm going. What the actual flip, man? What the flip, these stairs. It's so dark in here. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Oh my days, what the flip is that? Right, I'll say, hey, Sam, let's go down. Let's go down. What is that, man? Oh my days, what is... Ooh, okay. It looks like there's a trolley and... Oh, my stupid birds, oh, there's so many. Literally. There is so many stuff here. Where do you reckon we should go? Get to the other side quick. Wait. I heard something. I think that was just pigeons, so let's go. This place, man, it could just fall down. What'd you say? Should we carry on, or...? We've been hearing some random noises. What the... Wait. Hey, Sam, did you hear that? I think it's just a pigeon, actually. Oh my day. Wow. It looks like Jimmy's cabinet, you know? Whoa, this is quite a pleasant hole. Oh my days. This place is so... It's just so abandoned.
Hello?
This place looks flipping haunted. Wait, what the flip? Wait, what? Wait, what the flip? Okay. Alright, wait. What the? Is anything there? No, there's nothing there. We just had like a knock. Alright. Oh. Right, you might not notice this, yeah, but every time we step on that, yeah, like it rattles. Like, look, it's like about to break. Yeah, it's like it's about to break, man. But this looks so. Well, okay, right, let's move on. Yeah, sure. Wow, there's literally nothing to explore. It's just all graffiti and. What's that? What the flip was that? Oh no, Sam. Right, we're getting out of here. Let's see. Oh my days. What's actually happened there? Wow. And this is the stairs similar to the other place. That were really, look how flipping thin it is. The place was so much darker. Oh my days, there's so much. Wow. Apparently we've seen something. Oh no, I know, Sam, that's right, let's go.